Hello everyone, this is Srimati here. I'm here to talk about three important issues that we are facing right now and which, if left unattended, can cause great harms to our business as well as destroy our ecosystem. So, the first issue that I'm going to talk about is water scarcity. It is quite ironic that 70% of Earth is made up of water and we still face great water scarcity. There are several problems for this. The first thing is almost 70% of the water comes from ocean and only 30% is fresh water. The other thing is the rate at which we suck up water from the ground level and poor flood management as well as reservoir system which allows huge amount of water to mix with the ocean unnecessarily. So the water can cause both direct and indirect effects to the business. In the case of direct, if we take agriculture system, if at all the crops, if at all there is water scarcity, the crops that we get is going to be less and thus the business is affected. There are several other businesses that use water as one of their major sources like refinery, food and beverage system which also get affected because of this water scarcity. It causes indirect effect to the economy in the sense if at all there is water scarcity, the money that you spend on water increases and your priority changes. So there are several steps that the businesses can take in order to work towards conserving water. The first one is rescaling and reusing water wherever possible, and also reusing the cold water that is used for heating the system and using air cooling wherever possible. And in the bigger manufacturing units, regular checkups on the instruments that use water needs to be done so that we are able to conserve water. So water scarcity is actually becoming a very good big problem, and the companies in the future may need to take up water conserving as a big part of their risk management. So the next topic that I'm going to speak on is about the effects brought about by us on the climate. So the last 5 years have seen continuous increase in the temperatures as well as the number of hurricanes or such natural disasters which occurs have also increased tremendously, and reportedly every week there is one natural disaster. The polar ice has been melting at a tremendous pace, and this has caused huge damage and danger to the coastal systems. It is reported that if the climate problem is left unchecked, there could be almost 1 trillion loss to the businesses almost worldwide. So how do we take steps in order to come out of this process? So the businesses can look into using more renewable energy, and the government can give a more subsidies for the businesses which use renewable energy, as well as we'll have to look into making more and climate adaptation facilities, and also spend more on climate related issues. The climate issue is a very big problem that if we'll have to take major steps on in order to conserve our ecosystem. So the third issue that I'm going to speak on is the infectious disease. We are currently in the midst of coronavirus, and we very well know the effect of a global pandemic on the supply chain and also the businesses around the world. It has almost destroyed our supply chain for a few days and for a few months, and has also brought the economy to a standstill. So the businesses need to be prepared for the global pandemics or infectious diseases in a way they'll prepare for uh, natural disasters also. So what could be the things that we could do? So we'll have to make proper arrangements for going online if at all the need arises, and we'll have to keep our resources ready, or additional resources ready in the warehouse if at all our supply chain gets disrupted. And also the company should give more care into strategic risk planning in the future years in order to overcome from the any of the challenges that we could face. So these are the three problems that I think if left unchecked will cause great issues to our earth, and we'll have to take the necessary steps, and all the businesses should come together and work in a proper way to make this world a better place to live in. Thank you.